In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a dumbbell one-arm floor press, otherwise known as a dumbbell chest press on the floor with one arm. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to place a dumbbell just to the side of where you're going to be laying. I'm going to be demonstrating this on my left side so you can see best on the camera. Now I've got a mat here. This is completely optional. You don't have to use one if you don't want to. You could use a pillow for your head, or alternatively you could use nothing at all. Now what I'm going to do is come into a position where I'm on my back. My feet are in contact with the floor, hip width apart. I'm totally relaxed through my back, and from here I'm going to bring the dumbbell into firstly a neutral position. This is where my palm is facing directly towards my other palm if they were both up in the air. What I now need to do is come into my chest press position. So I'm going to bring the elbow away from the body, and then in this position, notice how my elbow is in line with the chest. It's not in line with my shoulder. So when I'm in this position, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press up and in, and then away and down. So up meaning towards the ceiling, and in meaning towards my chest. And then from there, slowly out and away and down towards the finished part of the repetition, which is when my elbow is in contact with the floor. Now, we've got the dumbbells not completely straight here. I've got a slight slant in the dumbbell as I press up and then back down. So think the palm isn't facing directly away from your upper body. It is to a degree, but it's slightly slanted in more of a semi-diagonal position as you're coming up and back down. You'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and of course you can do exactly the same on the other side as well.